ลูกบอกไม่ให้บ่นอมเจ้าไก่เซอร์มาดังท่าบายริเรียอย่างไรYou know when they closing for this? Bác đời xa ọt miên cồn khmênh rồi dương mau mình ấy dương trở đào trở lọc trở vinh bà. Yeah, I don't have any kid by myself. I have to walking back, so hope you guys enjoy and like it. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please help to subscribe to AKK share channel and then help to click the bell, like, share, click anything you need, please let me know, okay? ទាំងអស់គ្នាជួយ subscribe ម្នាក់មួយមកបាទហើយក៏អស់គ្នាចូលចិត្តក៏ជួយ comment ខ្ញុំមួយម្នាក់ផងបាទដើម្បីទទួលបានខ្សែវីដេអូថ្មីខ្ញុំ upload ចូលទៅក្នុង YouTube channel. Okay. Yeah, we are okay there. So I'll take a little walk. Today kind of a little hot, but it's okay. ថ្ងៃនេះដូចជាក្តៅបន្តិចប៉ុន្តែយើងអាចទ្រាំបានព្រោះវាមានខ្យល់ត្រជាក់មកបាទអត់ក្តៅទាំងស្រុងទេគឺមានខ្យល់បក់មករំភើយតែម្ដងបាទ Ready? Take a little look before we leave, okay? And you think you like all these kids here? They're so happy. I wish I'll be happy like all these kids too, okay? And the kids so happy. And see crowd people over there, they're still here. They sit on the shade and be happy. Alright. ហើយយើងឃើញគេអង្គុយនៅក្រៅដែលមកលុបដើម្បីទទួលទានរបស់ផ្សេងស៊ី Yeah, you can see all those people there. Okay, let's take a walk back. Alright. Go this way. អាចឃើញមនុស្សច្រើនកកនៅទីនេះហើយក៏យើងដើរត្រឡប់ទៅវិញបាទនោះក៏ទៅលេងនៅទីនោះដែរក៏មនុស្សចេញមនុស្សចូល They come and go, come to visit who coming and just leave who not coming, just coming, they just come, okay? Alright, to the end, walking back, ចង់បញ្ចប់ហើយយើងwalk ត្រឡប់ទៅវិញចេញតាមផ្លូវនេះគឺដើរតាមផ្លូវនេះវិញបាទ Okay, to the end. Thank you for watching. ហើយអរគុណច្រើនក្នុងការជួយគ្រប់គ្រងបាទត្រូវត្រឡប់ទៅវិញហើយក៏ដើរទៅកន្លែងនោះបន្តិចសិន Said keep out of private property here. Okay, there's the open form over there that you connect all the head and put over there. All kind of this the form. ហើយនៅនេះគឺជា form ឯបាទគេយកនៅ head ទាំងអស់នោះហ៎យកទៅដាក់នៅកន្លែងនោះហើយផ្លូវនេះថ្ងៃនេះរវល់មែនទែនបាទអត់ដឹងយ៉ាងម៉េច And so busy this road, I don't know what happened. So You can see the flower here. It looks so amazing. Flower look, it's yellow. Yeah, I drive on that road. I can see all this yellow flower here. But now I got here and you guys can see it too. Okay. Lâu cái nhau mà đo lấy, nhưng bạn lan tan ta khơi ca lường lương với bạn. Lâu nhau mà đo tin ấy khơi ca lường lương này hết. Đa tu sanh cầm sam từ óc này bạn. Ca lương lương. Yeah, you can see all the kind of yellow flower back here. Alright guys, I sing to the end. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, here's enough, okay? I'm going back. Cục cron á, mưa làm ho dầm ca nó thành crowd bạn. Nó dương từ lọp từ vinh ba. We're going back. Alright guys, to the end now. Thank you for watching. And you haven't subscribed yet, please help subscribe and click the bell and click like, and if you like to comment and share. Okay. ចឹងសូមជម្រាបលាបងប្អូនអស់គ្នាអ្នកណាដែលមិនទាន់បានជួយ subscribe ជួយ subscribe ម្នាក់មួយទៅហើយកុំភ្លេចចុចសញ្ញាកណ្ដឹងផងបាទទទួលបានតែវីដេអូថ្មីអញ្ចឹងHodges family form មានប៉ុណ្ណឹងឯងបាទអរគុណច្រើនបាយបាយ